Welcome. In front of me is Galaxy Book4, and in this video I will show you how to see the diagnostics of your PC. So to do that, we'll have to go into the web browser, open any web browser that you have, then look up the HWInfo application. Open their official website HWInfo.com, click free download, then select the installer and select SourceForge, for example, and wait until the application is downloaded. Once you click the SourceForge option, let's try again. Okay, as you can see, the installation has begun. So right now let's wait until the application is fully installed. And once the installation file is downloaded, let's open it, click on it, click yes. You can close the browser at this point, select the language that you want to use during the installation, click OK, then click next, then read and accept the license agreement, then click next, then select the directory for your application and click next again, then create the shortcut for the program in start menu folder and click next again and click install to begin the installation. Then click finish and let's wait for the application to start working. Click start, wait until your device is being diagnosed. We can close this now, and right now you can see the three windows. This windows at the CPU number 0 shows you each core of your CPU and its resource consuming at this moment. I guess it's pretty self-explaining. We can close this one. In this window we can see the information about the CPU and how it's working, the motherboard of this PC and the GPU. And in this window we can find the information about each element of our hardware on this device. If you want to check the full information about your device after being diagnosed, you can click sensors. Once you click sensors, you will find the information about your device resource consuming, the temperature and other information like this. So basically that's how you perform a diagnostics on your Samsung Galaxy Book4. And that's unfortunately the only way, since Samsung doesn't have a dedicated application for this, but this application is fortunately this HWInfo application is very comprehensive, so you can use it instead. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.